Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 25th of July 2021 question number 9. The area of the region bounded by the inequalities 2x square less than y less than 4 minus 2x and x greater than 0 is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of area bounded by the curve. So at first let's draw the picture. So here is a parabola and a straight line is given. So this is the axis x and y axis, and here is the parabola, and this is the intersecting line. So here is y is equal to it is y is equal to 2x square, the parabola, and here is the line y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So this portion we should calculate the value area bounded by the curve. So now this point is equal to 0 comma 4, and and this point is equal to 2 comma 0, and after calculating we solve this point. So the inequality is given here, that is 2x square less than y less than 4 minus 2x. So now 2x square, let's say 2x square is equal to 4 minus 2x if this is the line is an intersecting line. So now that is equal to x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 1 comma minus 2. So now this point is equal to 1 comma 2. So now area of the bounded by the curve is area is equal to, we may write half into 4 plus 2 into 1 minus of integration 0 to 1 to x square dx. So that is equal to half of 6 minus, that is 2x cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 1. So that is equal to 3 minus 2 by 3, and that is equal to 7 by 3. So it is our required solution, and our option is, right option is equal to option 2 is our correct choice. So now moving to question 9. Now moving to question 10. So this is the whole solution. So question 10 tells us that an ellipse with eccentricity 1 by 3 passes through the point 1 by root over 3 by 2 comma 1. A circle is drawn whose center center is the focus of the ellipse, and its radius is 2 by 3. If circle cuts the center at the 2 different point, that is P and Q, the value of PQ square is equal to what? So 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of geometry. At first let's draw the picture. So this one is the 2 axis, and here is the ellipse whose eccentricity is given here, and here is a circle. So the point ellipse, the circle is drawn center of the focus of the ellipse. So it is the focus of the ellipse, that is 1 comma 0. So now now this line is PQ, just named at PQ is the line, and point P is equal to 1 comma 2 by root 3, and point Q is equal to and point Q is equal to what? 1 comma minus 2 by root 3. So now the question that is tells that is ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is satisfied the points as so the point satisfying this point, so the point is root 3 by 2 comma 1. So now this big one become 3 by 2a square plus 1 by b square, that is equal to 1, where a square greater than b square. So now b square, this is equation 1, and we know b square is equal to also a square into 1 minus e square. That implies b square is equal to a square, and eccentricity is given 1 by 3, so it is 1 minus 1 by root 3, so it is 1 by 3, and it is 2 by 3 a square. So now putting these values in equation 1, so equation 1 become 3 by 2a square plus it is 1 by it is 3 by 2a square. So now that is equal to 1. So now it becomes 6 by 2a square, that is equal to 1. Therefore a square is equal to 3. If a square is equal to 3, so now we get b square is equal to what? B square is equal to 2. Therefore b square is equal to 2. So now a square is equal to 3, b square is equal to 2. So now putting these values in 1, so 1 becomes x square by 3 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. So it is equation 2. now from here we get focus is equal to what? Focus is equal to AE comma 0, so it is 5 plus minus 1 comma 0. So now this point, now the different point P and Q of ellipse cut different point P Q. So ellipse cut different point PQ. So x minus 1 whole square. Now x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 1 by 3. Equation of the circle is equation of this circle. Circle is this. So now this is equation as because eccentricity is the radius, eccentricity ellipse passes through this eccentricity, so this one is the r square, so it became 1 by 3, so it is the equation of the ellipse, circle. So now we get P is equal to 1 comma 2 by root 3, and Q is equal to 1 comma minus 2 by root 3, also so in the picture. So now r is equal to what? R is equal to here r is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore PQ square is equal to this minus this minus this, so it is 4 by root 3 whole square, so it is 16 by 3. So we reached, it is our required answer. And our option is, right option is option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 10. So this is the solution of question 10. Now moving to question 11. Now question 11 tells us the statement P to Q and P to not Q is logical equivalent to 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of tautology. So at first, and it's also a memory based question and question from JEE Main 25th of July 2021. So question given statement is P to Q and P to not Q. So now that implies not P or Q and not P or not Q. That implies not P or Q and not Q. That implies not P, and this one form in tautology. This so or tautology. So it is not P. So we reached, it is our required answer, and our option is option 3 is our correct choice. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.